Hello friend, today I want to show you how to remove it FRP Hisense any models is Android 9 Android 8. Remove it easy Google account without application, without PC. See complete nicely video. Please subscribe to my channel, also hit the bell icon, never miss any video. Now I want to setting that. After then you are connecting Wi-Fi. You have data SIM card also, using data SIM card. See, it's I put it to Wi-Fi. Make it next. After then next, you see is not open this lock. After then making next. You see, then go to back, changing language. After then press A, next, then press, then search. After then press this side. After then you are pressing here, then press this side, then press here. You see is not showing option. Android 9 Android 8 showing. Then press the go to done, then press this side, then get 3 dots, then press this side. After then search bar, then write changing, writing D, then get it. First one, then press the, you see you get it there, Gmail, then press. After then press here, again press, then writing, see is option open, and press, then press this side, then press locks, then press there. After then is open the lock, and then selecting pattern lock. You see, now it's done. Go to back, you see. After then you are go to and making setting English. After then next, see nicely complete videos. After then do it easy you are. After then press, you see that time is showing the password, now is showing pattern. Which pattern you are put it and use it, that pattern. Also you see is getting next option. And press there, and down there, then again press. You see is open now in your phone easy. I show you Android, which Android this one. See there, Android 9.